What's up, everyone? So, we're back here in Investagrams. We're going to discuss some trade samples. As you all know, it's been a very tough market environment, but that doesn't mean na wala nang opportunities sa merkado natin. So, for those who still studying the market, you could just check out investagrams.com. We are your partner from start to profits. So, from education, virtual trading, analytic tools, and a social network community, it's all in one platform. Lahat ng kailangan mo para matuto at mag-succeed sa stocks ay nandito na in one site. You could also download our app, available in Android and iOS. So now, let's take a look at what's happening in the market. So, from the top of 9,000, we're still not bottoming out yet. Even though we had a reflexive bounce around the 6.9 area, medyo kapos. Hanggang 7.3 lang ang inabot, and the market is exactly around 20% down. So statistically, in our previous chart discussions, we've mentioned that if the market goes down around 20-25%, there's a chance for it to recover. So ito nga, may nakikita tayo mga short recovery, pero sa ngayon, mukhang intact pa rin yung downtrend. Also because inflation is coming out stronger, pa-breakout pa lang. So kung recently nabalitaan nyo 5.2% yung inflation, we think na nagsisimula pa lang itong pagtaas ng inflation. So medyo ingat-ingat tayo kasi this could definitely affect how our markets develop, how our interest rates would rise in the future. So these are some factors to look into, especially as we move forward. Now, I'll discuss some of the ways we make money even though the market is quite challenging. So this is our trade sample for the day, Double Dragon. So recently the company has announced a follow-on offering at 30 pesos. But even if the price was pegged at 30, the stock was very oversold to the point that it almost reached 2021. So from that point, dun ko nakita yung bounce opportunity na, uy, sobrang bugbog na nito ah. Might be interesting. So sometimes if a stock is so oversold, there could be great opportunities as well as long as makita natin yung confirmation. So here, let's take a look at my average price, 22.62. I bought 80,000 shares, so just a conservative amount relative to what I'm handling. So that's equating to 2.1 million. Lumago na siya kasi nagkaroon ng 20% profit nung nag 27.45. So this is something we have to review. So I'll show you how I was able to catch Didi, the flying dragon. So here, makikita natin it's in a strong downtrend. Pero what came into my mind, bakit ko siya dinicide saluin? So here, this is the concept that I think it's already included in some of our modules and free articles. This is what I call the role reversal. So here, we can see here that in the 25 level, ito yung previous resistance ni Didi, right? 25. So, yung isang phenomenon na nangyayari sa merkado is yung mga previous breakout points ng isang stock, usually dapat bantayan mo yan kasi pag lumapit dyan yung stock after rallying, after sa pag-akyat niya, minsan nagiging bounce point yan, kagaya nito. So I'm just gonna change the color of my box. Hang on. Oops. So here, nung nag-dip sa 39 to 36, we saw a bounce there. So makikita natin yung pattern. Yung mga dating resistance ranges, nagiging potential bounce area. So ngayon, si Didi, di ba, ang tagal niyang nag-downtrend eh. So kung galing ka sa breakout na ganito, without even using any other complex indicators. I just looked at the past range of the stock. So here, it was ranging between 20 and 25 bago siya nag-break out. So alam ko na, uy, sa range na to, babantayan ko na si Didi kasi sa 20 level, ito na yung psychological ano niyan eh. Psychological round number yung 20, yung mga 10, 20, mga major levels yan. And usually, yung merkado, yung mga investors, they use these whole numbers as a relative anchor on their mind. Kumbaga, ito yung mga presyong tinatandaan natin and tinitreat as significant. So makita natin dito, yung simple range na yan, ayun, trinak ko lang. So when I was observing the price action, so as you can see here, wala tayong complex indicator na ginamit, purely price structure lang. So just to highlight what happened in the intraday, though I don't necessarily use intraday charts, lipat natin sa 5 minutes. Okay? Just so I can depict to you what transpired during that day. So let's take a look. Dali lang So eto. Ayan. So nung napansin ko na si Didi medyo nag-low na sa 21, 2095 yata yung pinaka-lowest point niyan eh. Ayun, around 21. So nung nakita ko medyo nagfo-floor na to sa 21 Nag-hold na. And then may sumasalo na. Noong time na yon medyo nakakatakot pa yung bids kasi medyo magaan to eh. Lalo na kung you're managing 7 digits, 8 digits and above, medyo mahirap mag-size kung walang bid yung stock. So medyo kakabahan ka. So I was observing na, oy, patuloy lang yung sell down. Pero for some reason, 21 was holding. It didn't even want to revisit the 20 level. So that sparked my interest already in the stock. And then my actual buying, I started test buying 21 plus to 21.95 to 22. So dito na. Nung medyo may retest na dito, napapansin ko, uy, ayaw na mag-21 nito 22 na. So doon ko na nakita yung resilience. Ibig sabihin, tumitibay na to So from that point on, I bought my initial tranche. Alright? Tapos nagdagdag na lang ako along the way. Pero konti na lang yun. So anong trade plan ko sa DD? Paano ko siya bebenta? So simple lang. Kaya rin siya naging attractive kasi you have to assess the factors of what's happening in the stock, hindi lang technicals. So I knew that they were offering shares at 30 pesos, but then the share price was at 21, at 20 almost. So ang laki ng discrepancy. So ibig sabihin, kung company ako, tapos magpa-follow on offering ako, tatry ko kahit papano ilapit yung current market price dun sa follow on ko. O dapat nga, dapat usually mas mataas yung current price kesa sa follow on. Para maging attractive yung FOO na tinatawag. Kasi parang ano yan panibagong IPO, panibagong shares yung binibenta nila. And they want to attract as many investors as they can. So yun, doon ko naisip na okay, yung test nito sa 20 besides sa charts, this will be something that I will trade. So now, ang usual target, ang style ko dito is to see where the stock could go. So ang initial resistance natin, kukunin mo lang yung mga previous ranges niya. So alam ko na makikita natin sa range ng stock, role reversal ulit, makikita natin na yung range na 30 at 28, medyo delikado. Yan yung parang trim levels mo na. Kung nag-spike dyan, gusto mong magtapon-tapon na. And to prove the point, yung wick ni Didi dito hanggang 27 plus nga lang So by the time I was taking the screenshot, nagbabawas-bawas na ako kay Didi. So 27 pababa, nag-trim na ako dyan. And lastly, nung nag-break below 26, inubos ko na yung Didi ko. So not a bad trade. Earned more than 6 digits. Earned more than 100,000 plus on this trade, di ba? So that's how real traders make money, even though it's a bear market. But the challenge again in these kinds of plays, syempre pag bumaba ng sobra yan, yung emotions mo at its highest yan So ibang-iba yung psychology ng bottom picking. Kung parang lahat nagpapanik, how are you gonna separate yourself na, okay, cool lang ako. Sige, magpanik kayo. Sasaluin ko to kasi alam ko yung sistema ko. Alam ko paano ako magre-risk management kung magkamali ako. So these are the things that you have to consider as well. Kailangan, kaya mo ba yung risk ng mga bounce play na trade? And pagpapansinin nyo, ilang araw lang ba yung window ng trade na to? So you could see here, simula nung buy point ko, halos 5 to 6 days lang. Ang problema dyan, pang-active na trader lang yung ganitong galawan. So what if you're too busy with your life, with your work? Diba? Not everyone can do these kinds of moves. So medyo challenging yung bottom picking compared to regular moves. And syempre, ganun talaga. Part of the fun yung challenge, part of the reward yung challenge na yan. Kaya nga yan yung mga unique ways of how you can make money in the bear market. Alright, so that's it for our trade sample for today. We're gonna come up with more trade samples. Papakita rin ako ng mga errors, mga bounce play na hindi gumana. So I'll show you examples. So we're gonna continue to make segments like these in Investagrams, just so we could show you what real trading is all about. So alam nyo naman, kailangan real talk tayo dito. Hindi lang puro profit yung merkado. So, both the ups and downs, iga-guide namin kayo paano nga ba yung realidad ng market and how are we gonna survive this kind of environment. So, thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked our content. If na-appreciate nyo yung efforts namin, please support Investagrams. We really need your support on these moments. And then you can subscribe to our FB page and YouTube. Maraming salamat.